eternal deep, bodies within the earth, a fire within, ready to give birth. Building up pressure, about to explode. A force so mighty can never be controlled. Trembling ground, but one in the gifts. Ashen skies like a fiery sieve. Lava flows like a river of rage. Burning everything, turning the page. Ready to blow, spewing fire, a fiery show. Devastation in its wake it leads. Nature's power one can conceive. Beneath the surface a fire roars. Magma flowing ready to explode. Tectonic plates collide. Tension in the air. The earth is shaking. Can you feel the scale? A rumble deep within. The ground starts to quake. Smoke rises up like a darkened lake. Lava bursting forth a fiery display. Nature's fury, there's no escape today. Burning bright, lava flowing day and night. A force of nature, power unseen in its fire.